down, go right to my handgun. Then I'm going to beat it. I'm going to be ready for the next round. So I'm going to put some in here. And then Jason, you can tell me how to run just so we can see it live. So I'm going to come up here. And feed everything I have until another round is called. 2. So keep that in mind as you're doing it. And as soon as there's a break, the first thing I'm going to do is what? Scan. Because I want to make sure I can put it away. Looking, tuck it, start feeding it. Go ahead and load them up.
I'm scared of my pocket.
Mr. Edhart, what's your favorite kind of farm?
Edhart.
You're just going to let it fall straight down. Because remember, if it's slung, you're not going to throw it. If you start moving, it's going to bounce back. Okay, take 2 steps forward. See what's going on. Okay, eyes and ears, everybody. Ears. Two slugs. Come on, Jason, I know you're faster than that. Two slugs. Alright, so hold this. So if I'm doing 2 slugs, right? I'm just going to load these to the top. I'm under, so it's ready to go. And then I have 2. Got it? Yep, go. 2! Hey, bounce backwards! I can't! What are you doing? Where's your handgun?
Yeah. To the handgun?
If your gun goes dry, go to the handgun.
No, alright.
So guys, think about that. You're not going to keep feeding. If I call 2 and you only have 1 left, go to your handgun. Remember, that's where we're at right now. Go ahead and feed them the whole way up. And also think about how you're stacking your backup. 2! Okay, give me 2! Give me 2!
Nice. Won't fire with it down either.
Nothing else, just birdshot. Just load it up. Huh? Load up birdshot.
Yeah, it is. If you call anything, if you call
Nothing
another
else,
bird
just
shot,
shoot.
I'm just gonna go with the pistol.
Yes, that's cool.
Just sometimes. Same thing, I switched over to 5.
Okay, after your volley, you must scan on this next drill because the command will be 2, but it will be 2 in a direction. So it could be 2 forward. Start loading. If you need to reload, because I'm going to call something else. And then it could be left. So keep your eyes on yourself and your partner, but it's gonna be 2 rounds every time. And it's either gonna be forward, backward, left, or right. But you're shooting your target.
Spread out a little
We're good with 1 person apiece. Yeah, I'm gonna move you to the target. Flips for 6. Muzzles down to ground for me. Start here for you. So remember, scan, scan, scan. If you're not scanning, I will stop you before you're shooting and pull you off the line because I don't want anybody in front of a shotgun barrel. So it will either be forward, backward, left, or right, and it's 2 shots. If you run out and we keep it going, go to your handgun. Shooters ready? Everybody load it up. 2, forward! Two! Back! 2. this isn't a moving and shooting. This is just move and shoot. So if I say forward, it's just forward. It's not forward. It's not shooting and moving. It's move, fire. All set? Eyes and ears. 2! Give me a slug. I want to see a slug.